Do this strange ice method tonight to erase stubborn body fat faster than any diet or exercise. A mysterious ice water method has been responsible for melting away pounds of fat every day for people all over the world. Researchers at Stanford University School of Medicine have recently discovered one thing in common in overweight women and men. And it has nothing to do with diet or exercise. In 2023, after studying 170 years of data, these scientists found a unique fat-burning switch that is critical in people being overweight. It is almost impossible to lose weight when this switch is inactive, no matter how much you diet or exercise. But a bizarre Himalayan ice method was recently discovered that can activate this switch and turbocharge your metabolism to erase body fat for good. Over 215,098 people around the world do this ice method every day to dissolve inches of deep body fat. And it works, even if diet and exercise programs have failed you in the past. Click the Watch Now button below to watch a free special video that shows you how to use this odd method to erase stubborn fat for good. The $78 billion weight loss industry would hate for you to see this video. It will change everything you thought you knew about weight loss. Watch it now before it's too late.